Welcome to Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker here at the New York Stock Exchange, bringing you a review of this week's stock market. Markets traded within a fairly narrow range this week. However, volume is picking up back to normal levels. Currently, the S&P 500 is trading with a PE around 18, close to its highest level in 4 years, and it hasn't posted a 4-day string of losses in all of 2014. The last time it fell more than 10% was 3 years ago. Investors are concerned that profit-taking might start soon, so they started bidding up contracts to protect against losses in the S&P 500. Much debate continues to occur on exactly when the Fed will start to raise interest rates, and this contributes to market uncertainty. On Thursday, jobless claims for the week ending September 6 surprised everyone, coming in higher than expected at 315,000, up from the prior week's 302,000. On Friday, retail sales for August showed an increase of 0.6%, up from July's 0.3%, and about in line with expectations. Import prices for August had their biggest drop in 9 months, falling 0.9%, and export prices also fell by 0.5%. Markets were down modestly on this news, as well as general nervousness regarding next week's Federal Reserve meeting. Now let's take a look at some stocks. Nova Lifestyle, the contemporary furniture maker, announced they have fulfilled their first order with IKEA, the world's largest furniture chain. The first of 3 monthly shipments will go out this week to IKEA's distribution center in Shanghai, China. Production of the furniture is ongoing in their 160,000 square foot production line in Dongguan, China. General Electric opened the trading week announcing they have agreed to sell their appliance business to Electrolux, a Swedish electric company, for $3.3 billion. The acquisition of GE's appliance business will allow Electrolux to double their sales in the US and will give Electrolux enough clout to compete with their larger rival Whirlpool. Apple unveiled their latest line of iPhones and gadgets this week, leading to a series of ups and downs in its stock price. However, shares continued strong later in the week. Apple released their new iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus with a larger screen, the Apple Watch, and Apple Play, a new payment service. Radio Shack released their second quarter results, and they continue to disappoint. This marks Radio Shack's 10th straight quarterly loss. The company mentioned that if cash flow does not improve, filing for bankruptcy protection would be the best option for the electronics company. General Motors shares traded slightly higher Thursday after the car maker announced they have substantially completed their vehicle recalls. CEO Mary Barra also said that GM is working hard to make sure that as new vehicles come out, they achieve even higher levels of quality and safety. 2014 has seen a record 29 million vehicles recalled so far. GM also noted that India is likely to become the world's third largest auto market, and the company is significantly restructuring their India operations with hopes of joining the race to grab market share in the region. This is Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker, and I'll see you again next week.